Are you looking for the best action camera? In this video we will look at some of the best action camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoPro HERO11. The GoPro HERO11 is the latest iteration in the revolutionary Hero camera series, boasting several cutting-edge features that take action photography and videography to new heights. One of its standout features is the revolutionary new image sensor that offers an expansive field of view, providing users with an extra-large canvas to unleash their creativity. With this improved field of view, users can capture more of the sky and horizon in every shot, allowing for more immersive and dynamic footage. The HERO11's image quality is truly remarkable, offering 5.3K video resolution, which is a significant leap from the standard 4K resolution and an incredible 665% increase from 1080p resolution. This results in videos with crisp detail and cinematic image quality, making every action sequence come to life with stunning clarity and realism. Moreover, the camera includes a water-repelling lens cover to help eliminate lens flare and other artifacts, ensuring that photos and videos are even more captivating. Number 2. AKASO Brave 7 4K 30 fps. The AKASO Brave 7 4K 30 fps is an all-weather action camera designed to cater to a wide range of filming scenarios, making it an excellent choice for vlogging and outdoor adventures. One of its standout features is its weatherproof nature, with an IPX7 water-resistant design that protects the camera from rain, snow, and water splashing. This robust construction allows it to withstand challenging environmental conditions and even facilitates underwater shooting at depths of up to 131 foot/40 m when used with the included waterproof housing. A notable convenience of the Brave 7 is its dual display design, which sets it apart from traditional action cameras. It features both a back 2-inch touchscreen and a vivid front screen. This innovation allows users to easily switch between different framing and monitoring views, making it particularly useful for capturing selfies or ensuring proper framing when facing the camera. The intuitive front screen and touchscreen functionality make operating the camera a user-friendly experience. When it comes to capturing video and photos, the AKASO Brave 7 doesn't disappoint. It is capable of recording hyper-quality 4K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring high-resolution footage with impressive detail. Additionally, its 20MP photo capabilities enable users to capture stunning images of their adventures. Number 3. GoPro HERO9. The GoPro HERO9 is a high-performance action camera designed for capturing stunning video and photos in various adventurous and action-packed scenarios. One of its standout features is its ability to shoot video in up to 5K resolution, providing exceptional clarity and detail, even when zooming in during post-production. This level of video quality ensures that users can relive their thrilling experiences with incredible visual fidelity. In terms of photography, the HERO9 boasts a 20MP camera that can capture crisp, professional-quality photos. Additionally, it comes equipped with SuperPhoto, an advanced image processing feature that automatically selects the best settings to enhance the quality of the captured images, making it easier for users to achieve outstanding shots without having to worry about manual adjustments. The camera's user interface has been significantly improved with the inclusion of a new, larger rear touch screen, allowing for easy framing and intuitive camera control. Alongside this, the HERO9 also features a new front display that provides essential information and allows users to see themselves while recording, making it ideal for vlogging and ensuring they get the perfect shot. Number 4. DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 is a cutting-edge action camera designed to capture life's adventures with ease and creativity. Its standout feature is its innovative magnetic design, which allows users to effortlessly switch out accessories as they document their experiences on the go. With a range of diverse accessories, users can explore creative ways to film their adventures. One of the main advantages of the DJI Action 2 is its ultra-compact size, making it incredibly portable and perfect for travelers. The magnetic lanyard and magnetic headband make it easy to wear the camera on your head or chest, freeing up your hands while you record the world around you. When it comes to recording capabilities, the DJI Action 2 does not disappoint. It can capture stunningly smooth 4K video at 120 frames per second, resulting in footage with richer details and incredible clarity. The camera's ultra-wide field of view, FOV, enables users to encompass more of their surroundings, enhancing the sense of exploration in the footage. Number 5. GoPro HERO11. The GoPro HERO11 is the latest addition to the Hero camera lineup and represents a significant advancement in action camera technology. One of its standout features is the revolutionary new image sensor that offers the most expansive field of view ever seen on a Hero camera straight out of the box. This broader field of view provides users with a larger canvas for their creativity, capturing more of the sky and horizon in every shot. The HERO11 Black offers unbelievable image quality, capable of recording videos in 5.3K resolution, which provides 91% more resolution than 4K and an impressive 665% more resolution than standard 1080p. This level of resolution ensures that the action is captured with crisp detail and cinematic image quality, resulting in stunning and immersive footage. Additionally, a water-repelling lens cover helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts, enhancing the overall quality of both photos and videos. For photography enthusiasts, the HERO11 Black boasts a high-resolution image sensor, elevating photo resolution up to an impressive 27 MP. The camera also delivers 5.3K 60 video with exceptionally fluid motion, allowing users to extract stunning 24.7 MP still images from their favorite shots. Moreover, the camera can record 2.7K 240 video, which can be played back in 8x slow motion, capturing details that may not be visible at normal playback speed.